Hey guys, so today we're working on this 2018 Honda Civic. I'm actually going to show y'all how to take the uh, sun visor off of this car. We bought this one from Copart. It's got a busted airbag right here, so we're going to remove the airbags, get those ordered, but the video is going to be about this sun visor right here. So as you can see, somebody else has already damaged it by trying to just pry it off. This side right here, I'm going to push up and twist. That comes off, and on this, as you can see, there's a spot right there. Got to push that in. So I am going to try to do this with one hand, but as you can see, you just push that in and turn this at the same time. So as you're pushing it in and turning, that inside part turns with it, and it just comes right off. You can undo the connector in there, and that is how you replace your sun visor on a 2018 Honda Civic. Make sure to comment down below. Let me know if y'all like these little repair videos. I have a 3-bay shop, and my father does a lot of repairs. So if y'all want to see more automotive repair, comment down below. I will start to record him and show y'all how to do some regular maintenance.